Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Blender video renders using Google Drive. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Drive website. If you aren't signed in, enter your credentials to log into your Google account. Once in Google Drive, click on the plus new button located on the left side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Folder to create a new folder for your Blender renders. Name the folder appropriately, like Blender Video Renders, and click Create. Now, open your Blender application. Render your project by going to the top menu and selecting Render. Choose Render Animation from the drop-down options. Once the rendering is complete, note the output directory where your video files are being saved. Open File Explorer or Finder on your computer to navigate to that directory. Locate the rendered video files you want to backup. Right-click on the selected files and choose Copy. Go back to your Google Drive in your browser. Open the newly created folder for your Blender renders. Right-click in the folder and select Paste to upload your video files. Wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a progress indicator in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once the upload is finished, you can verify that the files are in the folder. To ensure your backups are secure, consider organizing files by project name or date. You can also set up Google Drive for automatic backup by using Google Drive's Backup and Sync application. Download and install the application if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to link your Google Drive with your computer. Choose the folder where your Blender renders are saved for automatic synchronization. Click Start to enable the backup process. Whenever you render new videos, they will automatically back up to your Google Drive. Now, you can access your Blender renders from anywhere with an internet connection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.